Hi everyone! So this semester I spent a lot of time working on my website overall and also my blog. And I'm actually really proud of how it came out. I think I definitely will keep up with updating it once the semester is over. I think it's a really great resource, especially for someone who's a marketing major, for possible employers to see and also just for practice with content creation. So this is my homepage. I have a photo of me and just a little bit about myself. I linked my LinkedIn, my Twitter, and I give like a short description of who I am, as well as just sharing a little bit about myself as a person. So, my hobbies, my professional interests, and I give people the opportunity to subscribe via email as well. And then once you head over to the experience page, I go into a little bit of my professional experience. So, I put a certification that I received this year, which is really relevant to my major and the jobs that I'm looking to get. So, I think that that'll be really helpful for me, along with my resume, which I was able to edit for mobile as well, so the text doesn't get messed up when you're looking on different types of screens. Again, every page has this subscription at the bottom, and so I think that gives people a really good opportunity. And then for my blog, I have a few posts up right now for why plant-based is better for your health, why don't you eat meat, plant-based empanadas, and veg accounts you must follow. I definitely base my blog off of being vegetarian because at the beginning of the semester, when we began this project, I definitely thought of it as something that I'm very passionate about and something that I incorporate into my daily life. So I think it was really easy for me to speak on it. And I organize my blog posts by category up here. So you can see I have health, environment, my experience, and recipes. So this one falls under health, environment, and so when there's more, it's going to be a lot easier for people who are on my website to sift through them, kind of look at the content that they're looking for. So they want to read about health, they can also read them in chronological order if they're interested in doing it that way. But I really tried to keep my website very true to myself. And so that's why I went with blue colors and butterflies, because I wanted it to really represent who I am and show a little bit of my personality. So that was something that I really like about my website. And as you can see, like I've been sending my posts to friends and family. This one has 5 views, 12 views, 3, and 6. So it's not a lot, obviously, but this is all organic advertisement. And so I think that's pretty cool. And I think that this is definitely something that could persuade people to maybe go vegetarian, especially with all of the different categories. So it's pretty overarching. And then when you go to the products tab, I say throughout my coursework at Rutgers University, my minor in DCIM has given me the ability to explore my talent in content creation, which has proven to be extremely useful in all of my past internships. And then I say below are some projects I've worked on over the course of the last 4 years. So I want to show my public service announcement, which was from Structure of Information, I think. My immigration controversy infographic, which was also from Structure of Information. A podcast that I did for a DCIM class on how to land an internship, which went along with my other website that I made on WordPress. And then my YouTube tutorial that I did for career prep, which also went on my website, Are You Networking? And after making my Are You Networking website and then doing this one, I can definitely say that I like Wix as a platform better than I liked WordPress. I think it's a lot more user-friendly and has a lot more free features. But going back to the homepage, I just really wanted to make this something that was not only going to represent myself professionally, but also something that would be able to show who I was. And I think that the blog really does that, because not only is it informational and something that I obviously want to persuade people to hop on the bandwagon for, but it's also a really great creative outlet. I've had some fun with doing the blog, probably more than any other page on the website. And I think that post grad, I might change up the blog a little bit and make it a less concentrated and focused topic. And I would do categories, and I would make one of them veggie, for example. So then like all of these would go under that category. And I think that having a broader topic is a good way to like reach a wider audience. And I definitely think that the projects page is going to be really, really helpful for employers, because they're going to see You know, I can record and edit a public service announcement. I can create infographics, SoundCloud podcasts, tutorials, and I think that that's something really valuable, something that employers definitely look for. So overall, that was basically my experience with WordPress. The last thing I want to say is I did dive into the subscription via email part of it, and I did do a few email campaigns to my few subscribers that I do have, and so that's cool because I was able to link my most recent blog post in that email, and then people who receive the email can directly go to that post. So it's a good way to alert existing followers that you've posted. And yeah, so I think, and I can also see when people open it as well. So that's interesting. I can see the engagement with my emails. So overall, it's a really great tool, and I'm definitely debating buying a URL, but that's just a thought. That's in the works. So I guess I will keep you updated on that. But overall, this is my project. I had a lot of fun with it. So if anyone has any questions, definitely feel free to ask me. Thank you for a great semester.